Namaste and welcome back to Simply Kaushiki. You know, breakfast has been such an important part of the day, especially on those days when you have million things on the list. Today I am whipping up a millet omelette dosa stuffed with paneer and veggies. It's packed with protein to keep me energized all day long. Like so many of you, my mornings are a rush, and after getting through breakfast, I find a solace in little decor projects. As festive season approaches, I have been thinking a lot about quick ways to add charm to my home. And today, in this video, I am sharing these two cozy festive coffee table decor ideas. Oh, wait till the end actually. I will be sharing a DIY project that is very close to my heart.
So still, it's coming in a distant chill with the memories of winters past, of the ones I wish would have lasted. Oh, the lilac snow tells secrets of long ago, of carol song, of gifts we know. Out in the pale light, where dreams come undone. Everyone wants to know how long you can run. Well, I don't wanna wait. At the end of the road, just enough to go round. Some say there's still hope if you don't make a sound. Well, I just wanna scream.
The first coffee table setup is actually a nod to tradition with a modern twist. I am using a brass idol of my favorite Ganpati and a faux flower plant. A simple lantern all carawel on a jute mat. Instead of jute mat, you can always replace it with a round tray. This setup is perfect for those of us who don't have time to constantly change fresh flowers. But it never harms to add a little extra fresh flowers when you want to. For the second setup, I am going with neutral tones using this gold motif table runner. I have added a DIY faux brass planter with green plants, a fluted marble bowl which I use as a fruit bowl all the year round, a brass incense holder, a candle holder from IKEA with some faux succulents. This is more understated look, but it brings a sense of peace and calm, like walking into a serene garden. Festivals always remind me to slow down a bit. And lately, I have been getting my hands into small DIY projects that has been soothing for me, like these watercolor flower
You
paintings.
ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass? Would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble? We'll search the pieces.
Now I am using these with a slightly larger invitation card paper, which I am upcycling, and then tying them into this jute or a satin ribbon for extra special touch. These tags are like just burst of joy, simple yet elegant. In my last video, I shared how I organized my gift wrapping station. I was running a little low on my gift tags. Now I have quite a lot.
Sometimes I picture how life had been in Paris or New York or Shanghai. But you know what they say, east or west, our home is best. Warming rays, golden sunlight as the city wakes. Oh, my love for you will never
I hope you enjoyed these small yet meaningful festive ideas. If you did, then please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy homemaking. Bye bye.